Hello, welcome back, guys. So today we are going to take you on the journey number 9, and that's related to single row function. In today's journey, I'm going to explain you what are the types of number functions we have. And in this journey, I'm going to just show you what are the functions we have, what exactly it does. And in subsequent journeys, I will show you in very much detail what is the syntax of these functions and when we have to use any complexity to use these functions and all related things. So let's start our journey. In this one, I'm just going to show you single row function for number and list of all these functions and at least 1 or 2 examples. For an example, just I'm going to show you one sample one. If I have any number 243.5 and I just want to see what is its absolute number value. So it is 243.5. So likewise, we have many number functions, and that you can see here. We have mod, round, trunc, ceil, floor, absolute, power, and square root. So let's see what these functions does actually. So if I can show you some of the examples, you can see here, round, it will just round up this value. So if I will talk $34.95 for an example, and if I'm going to round it up, so when we round it, this cent part we remove, right? In normal life also, you might have heard sometime, or you are going to some shop and the guy told you that, okay, the price is $30.40. So you can ask, hey, can you just round it up because I don't have change right now and all. So then if he will be agree, he will just give you the dollar value. Either he's going to tell you 30 or 31. So same way here round works. So in this example, I have rounded this value, and since 95 cents is almost nearer to $1, so that's why $34 plus when this got rounded up, it became 35. But that does not mean that in round, we have to always round the decimal. Even the dollar part also can be rounded up. Or suppose I don't want to remove all the digits after decimal. If I just want to remove only 1 digit or 2 digits, we have all these facilities in the round function. Here I have shown you the default round value, and this is how it looks like. Then I have another function called trunc. Trunc basically it's truncate. Truncate what? Default truncate is removing all the integers after decimal. So in the round, what we were doing, we were just looking, right, that okay, if it is going to nearer to any dollar or it's far from that. So if it is far means we have a reference like 0.5. If any value is less than 0.5, then it will be rounded up to the lower value. In the sense, you can see in this example, 40.35. So 35 is not nearer to $. So it went down and it became 40. So in round, we just check like, okay, if it's a potential candidate to become $1 or not. If yes, move it up. If not, move back. But in case of trunk, it don't consider, okay, if it is near to $1 or far from $1 and all. It just simply remove after decimal the digits. So that's why you can see here 34.95 and it became 34. 40.35, it became 40. Okay. Now let's talk about seal function. So seal function, like in your house, just see the seal, right? It's above from our head. So what seal does, it just go to nearest integer value, the next nearest integer value. So 94, here 34.95 you have, and next nearest integer will be 35, right? And in this case, you can see 40.35 I have, so next nearest integer value will be 41. So that's how it works. Now, if you will see floor, right? Floor, if you are sitting on a chair, floor is down from you, right? So in case of floor, it goes just move back and get the nearest integer, nearest previous integer. So 34.95, if I'm going to apply floor function, it will go to 34. Same case with 40.35 as well. I hope you guys like so far these functions, right? Now let's come to mod. Mod means just going to do modulus. So if I'm just going to do mod 50 of 9, so what will happen? Just divide 50 by 9, and what will be the remaining value? It will be 5. So 10 again, if you have to do mod 3, so if you will just divide 10 by 3, remaining value will be 1. That's the mod. I'm not explaining here to you guys the syntax, what exactly the syntax to get this value. I will explain you in the next journeys. Today, my basic goal is to make you aware about all these functions. Now, if you will go to power, so this is kind of getting the exponential value, right? 3 power 2 means 3 into 3, 9. 4 power 3 means 4 into 4 into 4. Multiply 4 3 times, so that will be 64. That's the power function. A square root, all of you know, just get the square root of any value. So 25 square root will be 5, and 10 square root will be this much big number. So make you aware about all these number functions, okay? And I will see you in the subsequent journey to get detail about all these functions, what is the syntax, and if we can just do quick recap of all these functions. So you can just see here, mod gets the remainder value, round up, trunk just remove the specific decimal unit from there, right? And seal floor, you already got it. Like seal goes just higher, floor goes just lower. And absolute will just give you absolute value. Power will give you exponent value, and SQRT will give you a square root. So hopefully you enjoyed our journey today. And if you like it, you can just like and subscribe it so that regularly you will keep getting videos from us. Thanks all of you, and we'll see you soon in next journey.